Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Ngayong umaga, magluluto ako ng beef pares. Kung gusto ninyong malaman kung paano ko to ginawa, stay tuned and keep on watching. Tara, simulan na natin. Add oil. We'll saute it with garlic, ginger, onion, add the beef. We'll add ground pepper, salt, cover and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Toyo. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce to enhance the flavor. Beef cube. Labuyo. Arnis. Water. Tayin lang natin kumulo. Mixture of water and cornstarch. Preference of your thickness.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너.
Guys, ito na ang finished product ng beef pares ko. At syempre, ang taster, si Amo.
Amoy pares dun sa may Quezon City. Ang init! Sarap! Tigim tayo. Malaki-laki to. Tara! Kaon na!
Sorry, it's DJ.